Hello, this is Laura, your future Jasminer sales assistant.
Hi, I'm Nain, the sales manager from JingleMining, and this is our first time in the video on this channel.
Well, apparently.
Yes.
We're here trying our very best to help you understand your questions about our superstar, aka Jasminer X16Q.
And no matter what time zone you are in, you are always more than welcome to reach us, but maybe not the harass.
Sure. Now, Nain will showcase the great work brought by our superstar.
So then I want to share with you some information about the actual operation of the Jasminer X16Q 950 mAh. This is our test machine. We just opened the package yesterday, and you can see that it's running now. Listen, the sound is quite low, and maybe I'm too close, so just let me go further. So at a normal distance, you can only hear very small sounds, just like a regular computer server. Compared to the other miner machines, there is almost no sound, and you can totally keep it in home. And its size is 3U, also applies to cabinets, the miner farm, and if you keep it in room, you can even use it as a heater. So winter is coming, right? Night watch Jasminer X16Q, pretty cool. So now I will show the real-time data of the machine that is running now. So actually, we turned it on and connect with my F2 pool account yesterday at 4 p.m. It has worked for like 26 hours so far. I think the performance is great. You can check out yesterday's revenue here, and you can check out today's estimated revenue here. And let me check the hash rate. Yeah, we can check the 50 minutes hash rate, 24 hours hash rate. These are the average hash rate, and we can also check the stalled, rejected. I think it's pretty good. And let me check the ZL. The same information, yesterday's revenue, today's estimated revenue, hash rate, stalled, rejected. You can check out the number, the data here. I think the performance is great, personally, and based on my understanding of the miners, this is a great miner. As far as the ETC market is concerned, I think Jasminer X16Q is an excellent investment vehicle.
Oh, by the way, gentle reminder, we do also have discount for our Jasminer X16Q 7050 megahash right now, which can save you loads. Contact us for more information.
For now, let's show you the real deal. Let's go on a trip to our warehouse to see what's going on there. Woo!
Now we're at the warehouse of Jasminer X16Q. Seems like a new batch of 100 pieces just arrived. Let's take a look. Wow, so big space. These new babies are well taken care of. As you can see, what I'm holding now is our new 1950 megahash. The machine also comes with 3 other different power cords that fits your region, other than the default Chinese one.
Okay, let's check what's inside. Okay, as you can see, this is an instruction manual, and we also have one power cord and the handle. You can use it for the cabinet, and you can see the form. The packing is very strong. We can remove the form.
And not only that, here comes our second warehouse.
As you can see, it's bigger, it has more Jasminer inventory. And besides the Jasminer X16Q 1950, we also have the 1650, 1750. So if you want to buy any Jasminer or you have any question, you can reach us anytime.
Say no more. Let's get some physical work done.
Okay.